Hi guys, welcome to another exciting video on the Mavic 3 series. Today we are going to have a look at Mavic 3 Multispectral. This drone is mostly used in agriculture to create vegetation indices and do plant health analysis. It is also used for surveying. It is a huge upgrade from the Phantom 4 Multispectral. Let's have a look at the cameras. There's one RGB camera with 20 megapixels, each pixel size is 3 micrometers. The same quality as in Mavic 3 Enterprise and Mavic 3 Thermal. The CMOS is 4/3 and has a mechanical shutter. The photo interval is 0.7 seconds. There's also 4 multispectral cameras, each with 5 megapixels. They are the near-infrared, red edge, red and green. These are the wavelengths, 560, 650, 730 and 860 nanometers. Remember, visible light is between 380 and 750 nanometers on the spectrum. The wavelength for the near-infrared is a bit higher at 860 nanometers. The Mavic 3 Multispectral also has a built-in sunlight sensor. This is used to compensate for light in the images during processing. The sensor captures solar irradiance and records it in an image file. The vegetation index becomes more accurate. It also improves consistency of data acquired over time. This is another great improvement as compared to the Phantom 4 Multispectral. DJI has really outdone itself. Mavic 3 Multispectral also has a split screen like the Mavic 3 Thermal. When enabled, one can have RGB camera view and vegetation indices view side by side, meaning you can be able to have a glimpse on the health of the crops in real time. You can be able to do a preliminary assessment before images are processed for the construction of the vegetation index. You may also change between the vegetation index of your choice, be it normalized difference vegetation index or many others. Mavic 3 Multispectral is indeed a state-of-the-art drone. It is a must-have for farmers and agronomists. What a time to be alive! Did I not tell you that it has real-time terrain follow? The flight altitude is automatically adjusted to maintain the same height in relation to the ground. Remember, the height affects the GSD, ground sampling distance, and that might affect accuracy of the survey work. This feature ensures overlap and accuracy of the surveying deliverables. The terrain follow altitude range is 80 to 200 meters. Wow, what a masterpiece! DJI never ceases to amaze us. The Mavic 3 Multispectral has a feature called Smart Oblique Capture. Oblique mission flights are used when doing a 3D construction of a map or object. The Smart Oblique Capture of Mavic 3 Multispectral uses a double grid route and will intelligently swing the gimbal. Compared with Oblique Mission, which requires 5 flights, the efficiency of Smart Oblique Capture is doubled. Remember, in the Mavic 2 Enterprise, the Oblique Mission required 5 flights, where the drone will fly around all the sides of the map or object. However, with this feature, the drone will only do 2 flights. How smart is that? Only photos which are essential for the reconstruction will be captured, reducing the number of pictures and improving the post-processing efficiency. During the Smart Oblique Capture mission, the Mavic 3 Multispectral takes photos at 3 different angles on each flight line. It also extends beyond the area you select just to get enough coverage. This saves a lot of time. It saves time in flying and time in processing fewer pictures. Time saving translates into saving even more money. This drone also has 4 antenna design, 2 transmitters and 4 receivers. This gives it an added advantage in terms of video transmission in long distances. Mavic 3 Multispectral has OcuSync 3 video transmission, which allows it to bring FHD video transmissions at distances of up to 12 kilometers. A great improvement from OcuSync 2. Like other Mavic 3 drones, it also has 45 minutes flight time and 42 minutes with a payload, such as an RTK module. It has an omnidirectional obstacle sensing as well as advanced return to home feature. Let's take a look at a comparison between the Mavic 3 Multispectral and Phantom 4 Multispectral, which are both DJI products. The Phantom 4 Multispectral has 6 cameras, which are 1 RGB camera and 5 multispectral cameras, while the Mavic 3 Multispectral has 5 cameras, which are 1 RGB camera and 4 multispectral cameras. This is the exceptional contrast of the more the merrier. The RGB camera for the Mavic 3 Multispectral has 20 megapixels, while the one for the Phantom 4 Multispectral has 2 MP. The 4 multispectral cameras of Phantom 4 have 2 megapixels each, while the multispectral cameras for the Mavic 3 have 5 megapixels each. Phantom 4 Multispectral has 27 minutes flight time, while Mavic 3 Multispectral has 45 minutes flight time. The ground sampling distance for the Phantom 4 is height divided by 18.9 centimeters per pixel, while the GSD for Mavic 3 is height divided 36.5 centimeters per pixel. At 100 meters altitude, the GSD for Mavic 3 Multispectral is 2.74 centimeters per pixel and for the Phantom is 5.3 centimeters per pixel. Thank you very much for watching this video. This is the third video in a Mavic 3 series drones. Please press a like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Our company Met Drones has more of these educational videos. Please also like our Facebook page and visit our website metdrones.co.za for buying DJI Enterprise drones and drone-related services.